Howdy, folks, and welcome to a very cold edition of the Hillbilly Kitchen. This is going to be kind of a short PSA. In the area where I live, we don't normally get a foot of snow, and it's not usually below zero. So I have a few tips that might help save you some money during this extreme weather and also might help prevent some damage to your house. The first one is, if you have a heat pump, flip your thermostat over to emergency heat, because when it's this cold and you're running your heat pump, all you're doing is running your air conditioner along with your furnace, and you don't need to pay to run your air conditioner right now. I promise you don't need it. The second one is, we all know to drip our faucets, but if you lose your water because it freezes or there's a water main break, make sure you flip the breaker off to your hot water heater. If you have no water and you leave your water heater on, it could damage your water heater. It could also cause a fire or even explode. So flip the breakers off to your hot water heater. If you lose your water, open up all of the faucets in your house to drain as much water out of the water lines as possible. This will help prevent them from breaking if they freeze. I mean, once there's no water running through them, the water sitting in them will freeze. So you want to open up all the faucets and drain as much water out as you can get out before they freeze. That will allow some extra room for expansion. Our roofs are not really made to hold the weight of a foot of snow. So if it's possible, if you have some roofs like on my garage over here that aren't super sloped, you might want to go out and try to clean some of that off. It looks like some of it's already falling off and blowing off, thank goodness, because we have over 6 inches already and they're predicting another 3 to 5 inches this evening. So I'm going to try and get a little bit of that off there. It looks like maybe there's only 4 inches on the roof. We had a lot of wind last night, which helped prevent it from collecting on the roof. But if you have a roof like that and you can clean it off, you might want to try and clean some of it off before it gets extremely cold over the next couple of days, because you're not going to be able to then. Check on each other. Check on your neighbors, the elderly, folks with kids. Take care of as many people as you can during this. I mean, I'm kind of stuck here now. That's the road, and it's as wide as everything else, and I don't expect I'm going anywhere until next Monday based on the forecast and the temperatures. But if you're able to take care of other people, take care of other people. Pray for the homeless. And for heaven's sakes, if you don't have to go out, don't go out. Stay safe. God bless you all. Thank you for being a part of the Hillbilly Kitchen. And until next time, remember to put God first.